Hi everybody, welcome to Frog's Point Honey. Let's cook. All you need for beer can chicken is a 4 to 6 pound chicken, a beer, and some spice rub. Take the top rack out of your grill to make enough room and crank it to high heat. Then crack a beer and drink about half of it. Rub spice rub all over your chicken. Make sure to remove any giblets or spine or whatever they've got in there. In this case, I used Frog's Point Rub, which you can find in my very first cooking video ever at the beginning of this channel. Next, you're going to put the beer into the cavity of the chicken. Now, unless you've been engaging in some rather unconventional and probably illegal farming practices, your chicken is not used to this, and the smaller the bird, the harder it's going to be. But it should, if it relaxes and eases down a little bit, just fit just enough and make itself a nice little tripod. Now, before you put your bird on the grill, turn off the side that is going to be underneath the chicken. If you don't do this, you are going to end up with a blackened, smoky, horrible mess that is no fun at all to eat. Put the bird on the side that's off, close the lid, and then set a timer for 1 hour. Once the hour is up, open the lid, turn off the heat, and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then pick it up with a pair of tongs, pull out the beer can gently, careful not to burn yourself, and then transfer it to a platter and you're ready to carve and serve. I recommend a little hot honey as a finishing sauce. Let's eat! Thank you for watching, everybody. Please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe.